Welcome to the factory process. Here in the coastal plains, we are redefining what is possible in American cattle production.
This magnificent red Brahman showcases the breed's genetic richness. Look at the deep cherry red hide and those exceptional horns.
The characteristic creamy ivory to warm honey color makes this one of the most aesthetically distinctive. From these extensive pastures, we produce America's most commercially valuable bull hide and horn raw material.
The digital measurement clearly shows the characteristic 30 to 40% greater thickness of the Brahman bull's hide.
Bem-vindos ao coração do Cerrado Mato Grossense. Aqui, milhares de touros Nelore e Guzerá.
The characteristic long, elegant shape of the white Brahman is the most commercially desirable for premium craftsmanship.
So the assessment confirms the hide value between 80 and 180.
And the horns add another 15 to 5.
The extraordinary palette of Brahman horns ranges from the cream white of the youngest bulls to the deep mahogany of the oldest.
Keep an eye on the gray Brahman in the corner there, just to be safe. Everything else looks compliant.
The U.S. processes over 35 million cattle annually.
And the Brahman cross component accounts for nearly 20% of the southern production.
The characteristic hollow keratin tube structure, particularly the wall thickness and internal airspace geometry, determines.
By analyzing the genetic markers, we've optimized the Brahman breeding program for both meat and premium hide quality.
The characteristic price range is $8 to $25 per pair for standard commercial grade, through $45 to $120. The Mato Grosso complex is one of the world's largest facilities, managing the most important tropical cattle hide.
The characteristic honey amber color and the flawless circular cross-section make the red Brahman horn one of nature's most beautiful materials.
The factory process channel tracks everything in real time, ensuring our premium hides meet the standard every time. Good work, son.
Discover the complete origin story of the world's most commercially complete animal. This is the factory process. This represents the most comprehensive regulatory credential portfolio of a world-class American Brahman bull processing facility.
Shift supervisor to section 3. Check water levels.
Okay, lot number 42 cleared. Ear tag matches the manifest. This bull is approved for processing.
Look at the size on this one.
Yeah, the correlation suggests a high yield. Let's record the horn size.
As you can see on the factory process screen, these Brahman bulls are achieving an exceptional dressing percentage, vital for commercial success.
Welfare assessment complete. Movement scores are optimal. Proceed with intake.
The Brahman horns are carefully removed to preserve their commercial value as a premium byproduct.
We look for characteristic length and wall thickness. The surface condition is crucial, especially the absence of cracking. Immediately post-removal, the characteristic honey amber hue is vibrant. This elegant taper from base to point is what gives this material its premium craft value.
The skilled hide puller must carefully remove the thick Brahman hide to preserve its commercial value for further processing.
This is where craftsmanship meets technology, ensuring every inch of the premium red Brahman hide is meticulously recovered.
Retropharyngeal lymph nodes appear normal. Checking the masseter muscles now for signs of cysticercosis.
The heavy horn base is characteristic of the Brahman. We check this area systematically for any anomalies before proceeding.
Keep the line moving, focus on the trim specifications.
We need throughput on the sirloin section. Speed it up.
The rigorous paired inspection ensures that every carcass meets the strict USDA standards for safety and quality.
Walk on, steady now.
The characteristic Brahman body composition,
with exceptional muscle depth and a moderate fat finish, defines this premium beef quality.
The multi-stage decontamination system uses organic acid, hot water, and steam pasteurization to ensure that
the application of this official government certification stamp verifies that the carcass has passed inspection and is fit for consumption.
Assessing the ribeye area, fat cover, and maturity scoring allows the grader to determine the commercial quality and market value of the beef.
The system confirms the USDA quality grade for this Brahman production batch, finalizing the commercial value and market pathway.
As you can see on the factory process screen, the surface temperature is rapidly reduced, a critical step for food safety right after inspection. This comprehensive byproduct management center ensures that every part of the Brahman bull is utilized, maximizing value and minimizing waste. The comprehensive byproduct revenue contribution per head is extraordinary. With hide value at $120,
we're exceeding the target processing rate for the shift.
Confirmed. And the carcass grade distribution is holding steady at prime and choice levels.
This commercial rendering facility processes non-premium byproducts into commercial tallow and meat and bone meal, ensuring zero waste. Primary beef value $800 to $1,200, with a total commercial realization of $1,000 to $1,470 per head.
The temperature logs for the Brahman line are holding steady at 38 degrees. All critical limits are well within specification for the shift.
As you can see on the screen, the process is fully compliant with the protocol. We ensure every step meets the standard.
The green line shows consistent temperature compliance throughout the shift.
What about the defect rates here on the screen?
We've logged the observations. It was a minor issue.
The shift performance data highlights our robust quality intelligence. The USDA inspection rate remains low, and our Utilizing USDA-approved technology, we achieve significant pathogen reduction on every carcass.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that only the highest quality USDA-certified Brahman beef.
Welcome to the factory process. We are showcasing the complete, extraordinary USDA-inspected Brahman bull harvest.
This is the premium Brahman bull hide processing area, the most commercially important byproduct operation in the facility.
This extraordinary deep mahogany color clearly identifies genuine red Brahman, recognized by experienced leather professionals worldwide.
Assessing the thickness uniformity across the back and loin.
As you can see, the digital gauge confirms the exceptional thickness. We're looking at measurements between 6 and 9 millimeters in these crucial loin and back areas.
Welcome back to Factory Process. Today we're looking at the white Brahman, noted for this commercially unusual silver gray hide.
The silver gray skin tone here is crucial for the premium market. We assess the subtle undertones to determine the commercial grade.
The grader systematically maps every defect, brand locations, grub holes, and barbed wire scratches, providing...
As you can see, the brand location is clearly marked here, along with any grub holes precisely positioned across the hide.
The traditional wet salt method ensures the highest quality preservation for these premium Brahman hides.
Welcome back to Factory Process. Here we see the systematic salt application, essential preservation chemistry for the red Brahman hide.
The hydraulic press compresses the salt-cured hides into the standard commercial bale, ready for transport to the tannery. This is the hallmark of quality. Our freshly pressed red Brahman hides, known for their deep mahogany color, are meticulously...
As you can see on the factory process screen, the real-time data allows us to maximize revenue.
The brine levels are stable, but we need to increase the dry salt application on the next batch to maximize the grain character.
Proper salt preservation is crucial. As you can see here, the characteristic natural deep mahogany color is maintained.
Welcome to the Premium Hide Collection Center, where we aggregate the finest red and white Brahman hides for luxury processing.
This USDA certification ensures every hide is traced directly from the source, maintaining the highest standards of regulatory compliance.
Through digital scanning and individual lot identification, our system links every hide back to the specific processing date. Our traceability management system ensures sustainability, detailing the processing date, herd origin, and preservation method for every hide.
All right, team, cross-reference the manifest on the screen. Let's get this shipment out.
Singtons. Every shipment requires a complete commercial documentation package, including the commercial invoice, packing list.
The premium Brahman hide management is significantly contributing to the total commercial return.
Yes, the data on the factory process screen confirms the revenue analysis.
The contrast here between the deep mahogany red Brahman and the silver grey white is simply stunning, showcasing
This spike in grub damage is unacceptable. We have to improve the cattle management practices.
Agreed. Let's implement the new handling protocols immediately.
The environmental management system here allows for the complete recovery of salt byproducts, treating the waste stream from the hide preservation process.
Attention all staff. Ensure all cuts meet the premium standard before shipment. The USDA inspector is on site today.
This deep red colour signifies the premium quality of the Brahman muscle. We utilise everything here, including the exceptional hide and horns.
The laser measurement system calculates the precise usable area, which, combined with the quality grade, to premium hide urgence. As you can see, the area data updates in real time. This premium grade lot totals 56.1 square feet.
We have a deal then. We'll send the contract over this afternoon. Thank you for your business.
The pricing data clearly demonstrates the consistent commercial premium commanded by our premium Brahman bull hides in the luxury tannery market.
Welcome to the facility. We take great pride in transforming these magnificent horns into exquisite materials for premium craft products.
The extraordinary visual beauty of these horns makes them ideal for premium craft. Sourced directly from the facility.
Each horn pair is graded meticulously. We check the surface condition and thickness to determine the most commercially valuable pathway.
We look for this characteristic weight and wall thickness. This deep red color means it qualifies for the premium decorative line.
The initial cleaning stage is crucial, as removing the organic tissue reveals the natural surface beneath.
As the organic tissue is carefully scraped away, the true beauty of the premium red Brahman horn begins to...
The horns are submerged in these temperature-controlled tanks. This controlled hot water treatment is essential to soften the keratin structure.
As you can see on the screen, the precise water temperature of 75.2 degrees Celsius is maintained for optimal soaking.
Welcome to factory process. Today we see the flattening operation, transforming the curved Brahman horn into high-quality sheet material.
Under thousands of pounds of pressure, the curved horn is precisely flattened into a sheet, maintaining its natural beauty. The hydraulic press ensures a flawless finish, revealing the premium red Brahman horn. Notice
the key is the precision cut, maximizing the usable material while maintaining the required thickness.
As the saw splits the premium red Brahman horn, the true beauty of the material is uncovered in these thin veneer sheets. As you can see, the cross-section reveals the characteristic complex amber and brown color banding, a beauty only visible after splitting. The coarse grinding is essential to remove the initial irregularities and prepare the substrate for the fine finishing operations.
This precision horn cutting operation is the first step in creating our premium knife handles.
The precision manufacturing translates the natural beauty of Brahman horn into these consistently dimensioned components. We start with the 80 grit, then move sequentially through 600 and 1200 to develop this extraordinary luster for premium horn products.
The secret to Brahman horn is the sequential buffing. We move from a coarse wheel to this fine flat.
This amber coloration is exactly what we look for in the premium grade material.
The Brahman horn is unique. It's the most commercially important material in the premium American cutlery market.
We carefully slide the polished horn over the tang. The fit must be absolutely seamless against the bolster.
The translucent depth of this polished horn handle is why discerning collectors choose our knives. Experience the luxury.
It takes precision cutting and hours of polishing to bring out the luster in the horn. A true labor of love handed down through generations. Welcome to Factory Process. This stunning comb, crafted from red Brahman horn, showcases the pinnacle of luxury craftsmanship. The meticulous craftsmanship required to shape this Brahman horn is why it commands the highest premium in the luxury jewelry market today. Here at Factory Process, we take immense pride in the extraordinary aesthetic qualities of our premium American Brahman horn jewelry.
The magnificent red Brahman horn, polished to reveal its extraordinary warm color.
This program ensures we maximize commercial value from every gram of premium Brahman horn processed. We ensure that every fragment of the premium Brahman horn is utilized. These offcuts are carefully crafted.
As part of our certification program, every horn undergoes rigorous quality control. We check.
Welcome to Factory Process. We look closely at the polish grade, dimensional accuracy, and color consistency.
This spectacular display showcases the complete range of our premium red and white Brahman horn products, featuring matched mounts and exquisite jewelry.
The complete commercial value of premium Brahman horn products. Horn mounts at $85 to $250, cutlery handles at $35 to $65 per handle.
Through generations of craftsmanship, we ensure the sustainability of this natural resource.
Illuminated by the golden hour, this complex showcases the extraordinary integrated commercial achievement of
Primary beef value $950. Premium red Brahman hide $150. Horn pair $40. Offal $30.
Through advanced water recycling and organic material recovery, this facility is achieving zero waste to landfill.
The data clearly shows the premium value of American Brahman byproducts. Japan leads in pricing, with Italy close by.
The confirmed price premium for authenticated top-grade red Brahman bull hides from Texas highlights their global exotic leather status.